Hello everyone. In this video, let us see magnification of a spherical mirror. We can define linear magnification as the ratio of size of image to the size of the object. And it is denoted by m. So mathematically it can be represented as small m is equals to size of image upon size of object. So if we take this ray diagram, here we can consider A, B, P and A prime, B prime, P are similar triangles as triangles A, B, P and A prime, B prime, P are similar. Therefore, A prime, B prime upon AB is equals to PB prime upon PB. Here PB is object distance, that is U. PB prime is image distance, that is V. AB is height of object. A prime B prime is height of image. So let us represent those terms. A prime B prime is HI. AB is HO. PB prime is image distance and PB is object distance. Okay, so now if we apply sign conventions for this particular case of ray diagram, then we can write using sign conventions. Here object distance will be negative because it is measured from pole in the opposite direction of incident rays. Image distance will be positive because it is measured along the direction of incident rays. Height of the object is positive because it is above principal axis. Height of image is also positive because it is above principal axis. So if I consider this as expression 1, so from expression 1 we can write HI upon HO is equals to V upon minus U. That is, M is positive when a concave mirror forms virtual image. Okay, when a concave mirror forms real image, M is negative. So the expression remains the same. So I can write M is equals to HI by HO, that is equals to minus V by U. So this is M is positive when a concave mirror forms which image? Virtual image. And M is negative when a concave mirror forms real image. So these two conditions are for concave mirror. So let us mention for concave mirror we have these two conditions. M is positive when virtual image is formed. M is negative when real image is formed. Let us see for convex mirror. Convex mirror. Convex mirror always forms which image? Virtual and diminished image. So in this case M is positive because it forms always virtual image, right? So now let us see some more aspects related to magnification. m is greater than 1, then image formed is enlarged. Image formed is enlarged or magnified. When m is less than 1, image formed is diminished. Image formed is diminished. Right? So a concave mirror forms magnification image. It can be positive or negative. In case of convex mirror, magnification is always positive only, as we have mentioned here. Hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.